Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing good, my friend. We are still milking money. Thank you so much, guys, for being taking risk, because it's all about taking risk. But now people are making money because without risking, you can get nothing. Thank you so much, guys. I do believe you are milking money in Forex market more than ever, guys. Today in this video, I just want to share something. Some few updates here. There is an update to all our system for both MT4 and MT5. There is people who are saying, oh, my friend, oh, you have shared Pips Hunter, my friend. How will we now make money in order to get the Pips Hunter? Yet we have purchased your system. How can we do a scalping, maybe using the candles, because our system, they are based on RENKOs. Almost all our system are based on RENKOs, but now you can use them in both RENKO or a candle. So in this video, I am just sharing about the updates to all our EA, but I will give the DFX Agatha because I really love Agatha. I'm going to give TFX Agatha as an example. It's just to remind you how the Agatha works, or as an example. But for those people who have our EAs, our RENKO EAs, guys, you can get the updated one. And remember, every time we upgrade or we update the EA, we only say it is for the free. As long as you have paid, as long as you have purchased the EA, the updates are free. So don't hesitate to contact us so that you can get the updated EA for free. Now, in this, or in all our EA now, you can trade them using the candles. And what I'm going to share here, it's very, very important to all EAs, because you can do a scalping, a very professional scalping. Let us jump in and see what is there. Let us pick some few pairs. We can pick 1, 2, 3. Which one, guys, do you want us to pick? We can pick some few pairs there to give an example. Now, let us start with GBP/USD. When you are trading candle with any, whether it is MT4 or MT5, you are supposed to work with two terminals or two charts. If it is the GBP/USD or the currencies that you will choose, let us choose another one, USD, Euro USD, let us pick Euro JPY. We can pick also even USD JPY. Remember, this is what you're supposed to do. Every pair here should be in 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, because we want to do professional scalping and we don't want to miss any step, because you know about the technical analysis or chart analysis, you must do it from the big time frame. So the first one, you must have this handle template. And first of all, if you are using MT4, go to daily or weekly. But in this one, I can suggest to go to daily and select the handle template. The reason why we are doing this in MT4 to select the daily, if you right click here, let us go to our indicators. You will find that our indicators, they are drawing the zones of the weekly support and resistance. So it will be very nice if you're using the daily and attaching your handle at that daily time frame, because now it can read weekly and also daily time frame, and you can do your scalping even in minute 5 or minute 15. Are you getting my point? Let's say, for instance, you are using the minute 5. Remember, when you are doing a technical analysis, you must know what is happening in big time frame before scalping in small time frame. And this is something that makes people tired. They don't know how to do it. They get tired. You jump from this time frame to time frame. You jump to 4 hours to confirm what is happening there. But with our system, the things are easier because it will analyze market for you guys. So here we can see that the reason why our system will analyze the market, it is because we have the handle. All right, guys, make sure you have our TFX Agatha, or the zone handle. This is, we call it the zone handle. So the zone handle, it is what will collect the data from weekly to small time frame, and then the super zone, it is the one that will draw the zones. The super zone, the TFX super zone, it is the one that will draw the zones of weekly. So they must work together with the handle in order to analyze the market from the weekly to low time frame. All right, guys. So make sure you don't miss any of that. The second thing you need to know, it is when here in our in our super zone, there is a weekly. Also in our handle, it should be also a super zone, because here we have Agatha when we are using Agatha to analyze the charts, but here we are using the super zone so that we can get the exact weekly. So this one, it will analyze to small time frame or low time frame. All right, so make sure you have both in that terminal or in that chart. The second one, there's those people who does hit and run. This is the scalping. And remember, the scalpers, you don't hold for long, right? You just take what you see because you are doing scalping. So in our scalping, it is where now you will you will attach your Agatha EA. It's very simple, guys. You just go to your template here and select the Agatha EA. So when working with the Agatha, you have two templates, one for the handle, three, sorry. One, it will be for the handle, one, it will be for the Renko file, and the other one, it will be for the Agatha EA. So now let us say we are working with the candles and we want to do a professional scalping from in a minute 5. So you just attach your Agatha EA. Simple as that, right? Then the Agatha will display itself. You can see the emoji smiling here to say that if it's not smiling, you must know something is wrong. You can see here it's very angry, right? Something is wrong. It should be smiling. And always remember, go to option, tools option, because some of let me say this, you must activate this, allow automated, allow the DLL, and also allow the web request. So these three boxes must be checked in order for your EA to be in a good condition, whether you're using MT5 or MT4, right, guys? So let us learn something here. In Agatha, when we open our EA here, you'll find that we have the strategies all here, and we have an option here of Renko mode. So if I set Renko mode into false, this means now I'm not the EA it cannot pick the trades in Renko. And if you forgot and set here true, yet you are trading with the candles, it won't trade. The Renko is for the Renko and candle is for the candle. So all you need to do, if you are using the candles, make sure you deactivate the Renko mode. This Renko mode, it is also in MT4 or now our EA and MT5. If you don't find it in our updates, just know it is automated. All right. So in all our Renko EAs, they must have this one now, because, so that you can choose if you want to use the candle. So if you want to trade with the candles, make sure you set it false. There is another thing I just want to remind all of you, all our clients, and it is very simple. When we come here to Agatha, we find that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 strategies have been always repeating myself that they stands for EA. Those are 5 different EAs in one system. And this is where I don't want any one of you to mess up, because if they are 5 EAs, are you supposed to activate all EAs or to set them all into 2, yet maybe you have a small account? It's very, very unfortunate to activate all these EAs. It doesn't matter whether you're using MT5 or whatever. We'll cover that in other EAs, but let us learn something here in whatever EA you're using, whether MT4 or MT5, because all our EAs, they are not one. If you purchase one, it's like getting other 3, 4, 5 EAs. All right. So here we are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 EAs, guys. All right. 5 EAs. You cannot activate 5 EAs in one account or in a small account. It doesn't make sense. I have been repeating these things severally, that these strategies stands for EA. But you will find some people with small account activating all EAs. That is greediness. In fact, you can work with one. You can deactivate all this and just work with one EA. Let's say for instance, yeah, let us leave that. Let's say you can work with only this one EA, TM and handle, for example, right? This means because of your account is small, because if you activate all 5, if they can get entry or the signal, in fact, they can take 5 positions at once, 5 positions for about your account. And some people are not good even in money management. You'll find someone has already selected like 0.3 lot size with account of 200, guys. What about when they take trades like 5? That is more than $1, a lot size, a full lot size in an account of $200. So this is why you must know when purchasing our system, yet you get access to have several EAs like this one. They are 5 EAs in one, but you are not supposed to work with all according to your account. You are supposed to pick 1 or 2 according to the size of your account and according to money management. The thing here is that you get like 5 EAs at once. That's a golden opportunity to you. But it can help you, instead of purchasing another EA, another one, it can help you purchase with all this. So if you want to work with TM, if you want to work with the EMA, if you want to work with our R, what is this? Let me show you something here. This is just an example. One of the strategy works with these arrows, right? After support here, let's say for instance here, let us zoom here. We are coming from the resistance here, right? There is an arrow here. If you see this arrow here and the candle closes above this one, this shows this is a support and this is a resistance looking for sale in small time frame. So if you are scalping in minute 5 and here we are in a resistance now, the EA is looking for sale. We're expecting this EA now to sell. How will it sell? It will sell because we have a resistance here and we have the crossing of these two moving average and this arrow. Then boom, the other entry, it is here for sale, another boom. So you can imagine the first scalping, it is here. You can get it from 18 pips, right? This is why a good scalping in minute 5, it is good to go for 10 pips. All right, 10 pips. The other one, it is here again, drop to this place, 23, 10 pips, you are good to go. So when you are trading in minute 5, it is good to target only 5 to 10 pips because it is a hit and run strategy. And remember, this is candles, they are very chopping, they are very noisy, and because that's why we love Renko, because Renko, it will filter every noise. But because a lot of people, traders, are really scalpers, it doesn't matter whether they purchase the Renko system, they still need to scalp. So this is why we updated our EAs so that it can help you scalp your choice, right? And I'm giving you advice. So if you go to minute 15, let's say for instance, in minute 15, you can start targeting from 10 to 20 pips, right? And it will be very easier for you because still it will be looking for resistance and again the crossing, then boom. Let's say for instance now, that is the strategy. What that is for the strategy 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the strategy 4. What is for the strategy 5, right? The strategy 5, we find that it is the star end zone. The star end zone, I'm just giving this or reminding you how Agatha works because it will look for the crossing of the 3 moving average. When there is a crossing, oh my God, it has taken already this sell. I think I believe my look back is so big. it must be reduced, my friend, because that's not a good signal. Yeah, because we have here bar maximum here, waiting bar maximum R5. So okay, it's good, still SL signal. It will be looking for that also resistance, and because we are coming from the resistance from the big time frame. I don't know if guys you can see how great this thing is. The thing that you are supposed to be doing manually, analyzing market from the big time frame, you can see we are from the resistance, and the EA automatically can pick this sell and give you 10 pips, 20 pips. And when it is out of the market, it won't go back. It will wait for the fresh entry, guys. This is what I'm saying, that you can do scalping through all our system professionally without messing, because it will analyze the market. If we are coming from the resistance or support, that is what it will be looking in small time frame, in minute 15 or in minute 5. You can do any of the scalping of any of your choice, whether it is big 15 minutes, whether it's 30 minutes, whether it is 5 minutes. Now you can do any of your scalping. You can see even after changing to 30 minutes still saying that there is a signal. This way it has picked the second entry, because there is a signal here, because we are coming from the resistance here. And in our daily and our weekly, we are in a weekly resistance and also a daily resistance. So this makes things easier to pick trades in small time frame, right? And now you are getting this correctly, perfectly, guys. So let us go again. Remember, when you pick two, one, go to daily, attach your handle. The second one, go to your small time frame, whether you are using minute 5. The another secret that I'm going to give you here, when you go to minute 5, try to check or to look the currency or the pair that trades smoothly in minute 5. There is some pairs, they are very zigzags and chopping in minute 5. But like this one, Euro USD, you can see it's very smooth in also in minute 5. Let's go to minute 15. Not that much. Okay, it's just more, but not like minute 5. In minute 5, it looks so nice, because this means that the Euro USD, it's good to have it in minute 5. Then the next thing, it is to attach the Agatha EA. So the Agatha EA will be looking for sell if we are coming from the sell, and if we are coming from the support, it will be looking for buy in small time frame. So let me repeat this. If you are doing scalping in small time frame, don't just trade because you love the pair. See the movement of the pair. Is it smooth in minute 5, like the way you are seeing Euro USD here? You can see it's very smooth. Yeah, it's moving smooth. It's not chopping. Let me see if I can see the choppy one in minute 5. You can see this one is very, very smooth to trade it also in minute 5. Yeah, let us check something like this one. This one is not advisable, my friend, to trade this in minute 5. You can see it's very, 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 it has a lot of noisy and zigzag. Let us check if it's smooth in minute 15. Yeah, in minute 15, somehow it's very smooth, trying, but not that much. So this one, to me, no. We are looking for something that is very smooth in minute 5 or minute 15. Euro USD is not that good. Even the Euro USD JPY is not that smooth. So I'm just trying to help you understand how to pick the pairs that can trade, can give you good money because of its smoothness, right? It's because of its smoothness, not the chopping one. Like this one, to me, no, not that good, my friend. I'm looking for something that is very, very nice. It has a nice movement. Yeah, like this one, you see, like this one. It's a very, very, very nice movement. So and how will you know that the pair, it has a new or a good movement? Just check the size of the candle. The size of the candle in minute 5 or minute 15, it will tell you if the pair or the currency is so chopping or zigzags or whatever because of the size of the candle. So if you find in minute 5, it has a lot of these small candles. You can see these small candles. This tells you that that is the good pair to trade in minute 5. If you find those small candles in minute 15, it tells you that is the good pair to trade it in minute 15. So all you do, you just pick it into, as we said, you make sure you have one where you attach your EA and the other one where you are going to attach your handle. So that when, because here now it was coming from this support, it was a buy in minute 5. So you can imagine how you can milk this market in minute 5 because you can see on a weekly time frame it was buy, right? And also from the daily. So all these buy here, the EA, it will be picking only buys without selling because it must follow the direction of the market from weekly and daily and other time frame. All right, guys, I do believe you are getting what I'm saying. Now, I think I do believe that now you got it correctly of how you can operate with this stuff. So in our EA, let's go back to our EA. You won't see a lot those indicators, though they are there. You want your chart also to look nice. All you are supposed to pay attention, all the caution, it's here. Which exactly strategy are you going to use? They are all profitable, but when using the candles, this one, it will stay long before getting the star one. You can deactivate that. The star is good with the Renko, but other strategies, you can pick them. Other strategies, whether it's strategy 1, strategy 2 or 3, or even 4. But remember, they are all EAs according to the size of your account. I'm repeating this because there are some people I know, and you know yourself. I think it is the ignorance of watching the video. Because if you have been watching the video, you know that all these strategies stands for the EA. So you cannot work with 5 EAs in one account, especially small account. I always say activate strategy after the strategy or EA after EA, the way you are growing your account. The way you are growing your account, you activate the EA. So now we can say, let us start with this. Or we can start with the strategy 1. Let's say, for instance, the strategy 1 is for the TM, right? Let's set our TM there. This is our TM. It will check for this support because we are coming from a support here. Now we are in a resistance, waiting for sell signals because you can see there's still no arrow here. This arrow is the one that will tell you that if it is now clear that it is a real resistance, there is no momentum of going up. So when we come here, you can see it was buy from this point, another buy from this point. You can see our TM can filter. I really love the TM. You can see it can filter all the noisy. We changed this setting from 8. We have been using setting 8. Now we are using the 13, right, guys, to help you filter every noise, because now we are using the candle because of these false things. You can see there was a false breakout here and there was a support, and still the market is going up. You can see, so it's a good buy when we have it on your account. So guys, I do believe now you are getting what I'm saying. So if you have a small account, and this not even small account, I will urge you, my friend, to use one EA at a time. Activate after you have seen a good profit, activate the second one. So you can start with the strategy 1 or 2, all 3. The strategy 2 is for the E2 EMA. Let us check for the EMA. This is for the 2 crossing of the EMA. You can use this one because it must check for support or resistance according to the direction of the market. Then when they line, then it will drop good or it will buy good. And my advice now, because I have to advise you, start with the strategy 3. When you grow your account, the more your account is growing, activate the strategy 4, then continue to strategy 2. Are you getting my point? And strategy 3. All these strategy, you can work them with the Renko, but to working with the candle in minute 5 or minute 15 doing your scalping, I advise you start with the strategy 4, start with the strategy 3, then go to 4, then 5 and 6 according to how you grow your account. Don't activate many here because they are all EA, which are independent and they trade according to their strategies or according to their analysis. They are all EAs. So I do believe that one is clear. And I do believe now, guys, anyone with our EA, you can contact us so that we can give you the upgraded. And if you want to do candle trading, please talk to us. Tell us to give you a good setup by default so that you can start making money without wasting your time as you continue testing other strategies on your demo account. So if you want to work with the candle doing those scalping, tell us so that we can give you a good setup. Then from there, you can do other setups on your demo account as you learn more about other strategies or as you practice more strategies. But you must earn and learn. So any of our EA, whether MT4 or MT5, guys, contact us so that we can share with you if you really want to do candle trading. If you are good with the Renko, no need to contact us. If you want to trade or do scalping in candles or with the candles, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.